But these are the reverse lights that are on there now. Now y'all can see it's like grass and trees and stuff up in there. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Now in this video, I don't know if y'all checked out my last couple videos on my Cutlass. I think I recorded 2 before this one, but the last video I know for sure was, well, the video before my box Chevy video was us changing the tail light. So in this video we're finna go ahead and change the reverse lights in this one, because when we was changing the tail lights on this car, in that video I showed y'all that one of the reverse lights was already broken off. You feel me? Ain't nothing holding it in but the socket for the bulb. So that's the only thing holding it in. But I do want to show y'all a couple of my interior lights. If I push this, if it focus, push this up, one interior light, not one over here. So we need to replace both of them floors. Then one back here, but not one over here. So we need to replace them too. So that should be coming up real soon. Shortly we should be changing them out. But my fuel tank's supposed to be coming in within the next like couple days. By the time y'all getting this, I probably already done got it and put it on, all that stuff. So I need to get that. Where's my phone? That's what I'm finna do, because I already been making a list on everything that I need for this car that I still need to get. So let me write down interior bulbs, passenger side mirror, I think that's it. Everything else I already wrote down. I wrote down a lot of stuff, and y'all could fit a focus. So yeah, I already wrote down a lot of stuff that I need to get for this car. But other than that, we finna get ready to put in the reverse lights. It shouldn't take long. It's literally 2 clips, 2 little quick clips that you twist off with your hand. Yeah, it ain't no socket, no bolt, no screw, none of that. It's just two little things you twist off with your hand. So I don't need no tools but my hand for this one. So like I said, it should be quick. But if y'all new to the channel, hit that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn that post notification bell on. That way y'all be notified every time I drop. I'm trying to beat the rain. I don't know if y'all can tell. Water droplets. So it's been raining. So I'm gonna try and make this kind of quick, because I need to record 2 more videos. Well, this one and then 1 more video. Then yeah, once we get the fuel tank, I'm gonna drive this car, take it to the car wash so I can vacuum all this out, because that is old paper that was in here before I got the car. And the car is leaking, bro. Look, water. So I'm gonna have to get some more seal for my T-tops, because it's leaking from up here somewhere in here. It shouldn't be too bad though. It should be okay. It's getting right there too. But like I started scraping off some of the old blue that was peeling. As y'all can see, it's still some peeling right there. I ain't scraped off yet, but I started on it, which is why y'all see a lot of blue on the ground. So yep, we taking small baby steps. But like I said, y'all finna get a flood of videos of this car, because this the car I'm really trying to start working on now. Since my box Chevy is almost done, I really don't have nothing else to work on besides this car, because I only have 3 cars. So yeah, let me get out, put y'all on the tripod, then we're gonna unbox the reverse lights and we're gonna put them on. So yep, give me a second so I can get everything set up, get y'all on the tripod, and I'm come back to y'all once we ready to throw everything on. Alright, so I got y'all on the tripod. Now really quickly, I want to show y'all, like I said, I got y'all on the tripod, so it's gonna be a little harder, but these are the reverse lights that are on there now. Now y'all can see it's like grass and trees and stuff up in there. Yeah, it's really tall. This need to go. And I think this is just surface rust. I think surface rust. I think it should be able to come out easily. And this is the other one. Now we did change the tail lights, as y'all can see. Look a lot better than our sun beat or nothing. But we finna go ahead and change these. So I want to do a quick unboxing. So let's go ahead. I'll do a quick unboxing really fast. Now they in that box, so let me get everything out really quickly. Set y'all back up. Alright. Quick unboxing, quick. There they go. The new reverse lights. Well, new to us anyways. This is the first one. See, it ain't terrible. It ain't the best, but it ain't terrible. I couldn't find any like newer ones. I guess they stopped making a lot of these parts, but this is the passenger side. So this one gonna go over here. So we got that one out. And here go the other one. And this is the driver, so this one a little bit worse. Yeah, y'all can see it's a little bit worse. Yeah, like I was saying, I couldn't find any that was like new or a little bit better, so we just had to do with what we had. So yep, this is the driver's side. So we're gonna go ahead and change them out anyways, because they need to be out. This out the way. Get out the way. Yeah, so like I said, it's just two screws on the back that we finna take off. So let me go ahead and get to work, bring y'all a little closer, put y'all down. There we go. Yep. It should be, like I said, pretty quick and easy, because all I'm doing is you twist these off with your hand, and there's just 2 of them. And the Caprice is like 8 to 10, somewhere around there. So it's a lot quicker, a lot easier. Come on. There we go. Undo the socket. Now I think I need reverse bulbs, because my uncle told me when I was driving the car back from the mechanic shop, when I backed up a couple times, the reverse lights wasn't coming on. So I think I need new bulbs, because it looked like I do. Yep, shot. So I need new reverse bulbs too. So that's another thing I need to remind myself to get. Some more reverse bulbs. Put this in here. You know, I know, like I said, I just want to keep most of the parts so I can remember what all I've done to the car myself, you feel me? So, and there's 2 bulbs you got to put in. One bulb go right here, the other one go in here. So that's what we're gonna do. Go 1. Two. Back in and back on. I think I have to get another rear bumper too, because it ain't lining up perfectly right there. And I think that's because of the bumper. Yeah, I think it's because of the bumper. Yeah, because everything's on here. Yep. Like I said, I think it's because of the bumper. I don't know. We'll figure it out later. We just need to get this on for now. Twist these back on. Pretty quick, easy, and simple. There we go. There's one done. One done. I already look better on this side. Like I said, I think I have to get, I don't know, maybe a body shop can fix it or something. I don't know. We'll figure something out though. But let's go ahead and move on to this side. There we go. There's 2 things you twist off. That's all it is, y'all. Oh, I forgot. This one was already broke. Yeah, I'm gonna have to find something to hold that tight. Got that off. I'm gonna have to get something to hold this one so to quit turning. Got it. Never mind, you don't have to get nothing. Got it with my hand, y'all. Yeah, like I said, I need new bulbs. This bulb shot too. I see the thing shaking off. And this one don't look shot, but it might. I don't know. It might be shot too, y'all. So I gotta put that in my phone. Reverse bulbs. 2. Yeah, see, this one lined up perfectly. So I think it's just this side of the bumper. Maybe a little sun damage to where it needs to be. So that side of the bumper, I think, just need to be pushed in a little more. We'll figure it out though. We'll get it figured out. It's just the beginning of the rebuild stage. Getting all these parts right. If I can find the cutlass at a junkyard, like I said, we don't have no junkyards around here though. But if I can find one at a junkyard and I can get the rear bumper and the front Euro clip, it'll be lovely. But like I said, I think my dad said we have a Euro clip, so I'm gonna just have to see where it's at. We gotta find it. We'll figure it out. We get everything figured out. It's just gonna be a slow process. There we go. And just like that, we got 2 new reverse lights. We just need to get the bulbs now. Already looking better back here, y'all. Already. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. It feels like it's trying to start raining again, so I kind of need to hurry up. I'll take this out. I'm not gonna need this right now. Take that out. What else? Yeah, I think that's it. See how it's shut. Yeah, see, this side in too much. The trunk need to, let's see. So over here, this trunk is like dented a little bit, so it need to be bent out in shape to where to sit flush with the light and stuff. But other than that, we'll get it all fixed once we get it, once it's time to get painted. So we need to go to the body shop and stuff. But other than that, y'all let me know what y'all think about the new. Let me get y'all off the tripod. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the new reverse lights on there. Look better than these broken ones. So it's an upgrade. Some type of upgrade, you feel me? It's better than having the broken one. So yep, y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Let me get one more thumbnail picture. This side look really good with the new tail light too. The trunk ain't all the way shut, y'all. That's why it's looking like it. Go ahead and shut it down for y'all. See, this side look 1,000 times better. Yep. We get everything sorted out though. Like I said, this is just a beginning. But let me clean all this stuff up right here, and I'm gonna come back to y'all for the outro. Alright y'all, so that's gonna be it for this one. We put the reverse lights on. Lights, I got one more video I need to record. Shouldn't take me too long to record that either. And I'm racing the rain, so yep. Right now, we doing pretty good so far on the car, you feel me? We moving along. We ain't going too slow, but we ain't going too fast either. Like I said, I know this car gonna take me a while to get right. For one, I need to really get in here and clean. But look, I need to just get in here and really clean. So yeah, we got a lot of parts. We still need a lot of parts to we still need to order a lot of parts too. But like I said, this car, it ain't gonna be done real fast, you feel me? Not like how I done my Caprice. I'm basically almost done my Caprice in like 5 months, you feel me? 6 months, about 6-7 months, somewhere around there, which is good. But then I don't want to rush the cars, you feel me? Because I want them to be good and drivable, and yeah, just to where I can get it and go. And if I want to go to a car show, I can take them to car shows too. So yep. But other than that, man, I appreciate y'all for watching this. Y'all hit that like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell all the way, y'all be notified every time I drop. And yeah, it's gonna be it for this one. I'm finna get ready to record one more video before it start raining again. Yep. So I'll catch y'all on the next one. Like I said, I appreciate y'all for watching, appreciate y'all for rocking with me. And that's gonna be it for this one. I'll catch y'all on the next one.